everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Hummer H2. This is the year model 2007. This is SUT. And I'm going to change the headlights to LED lights. I'll turn it on and you can see it. So you can see this is the original OEM light. And I will be upgrading to LED. And without wasting in time, let's get started. I will be upgrading with aux beam. And these are the big, nice lights. This is I'm going to use for my SUT. These are the aux beam lights I'm going to use for my 2008 Hummer. This is how they look. They are very easy to install. So let's get started. So the first thing, we'll open the hood. Open the latches. Now I'm going to close in so you can see it, how it's easy we can change it. This is very easy. Pull this up and then pull this out. This is the lock. And now this is the locking nut. We're going to remove that. And this is the original OEM bulb. You just have to wiggle it because it's sitting there for a long period of time. And this is the one locks in like this. So you pull up and then you pull it out. So this is the bulb and I'll replace it with LED. So this is the new LED. So we're going to put this connector, press it, it snaps in, and on this one, we're going to remove it. When you remove it like this opens up. As you see, it opens like this. Once it's open all the way, then you slide it out. So once you slide it out, you put it in. So the way we're going to put it in, notches here, one here, one on this side, 3 of these. So you press it. As you see, it's seated nicely. And now we're going to put the locking nut. We're going to lock it. And now this one, we're going to put it like this. There is 2 tabs here. They're small protruding tabs. Those are like a dimple pin. You put it in like this. You put it down, then you turn it, and it goes down all the way like this, and it locks in right here. And this side, we're going to put it in. It goes only one way and locks in. And as for this one heats up, so it's a good idea to put it on the body frame like this. And I'm going to use a tie wrap, and I'm going to put a tie wrap right here. As I install the LED on this side, I'm going to install one on the other side the same way. So same process, we're going to pull the lock and then pull the connector out and the locking nut and just wiggle it like this because they've been sitting there for a long period of time and these will come out. Now this is the LED as I shown you how to attach the connector. And on this one, we're going to do the same process. We're going to remove it. Once you remove it, we'll put it in. So once you press it in, as you see, this sits in. And now we're going to put the locking nut and we lock it. Now we're going to put the LED as I shown you. There is small 2 dimples which you align it. You put it like this, then you turn it, and it goes all the way down. The orientation of LED goes straight like this, and then we're going to connect it, just like this. And the only thing we need to do, we're going to put the tie wrap on this one, right here, just like this. And that's it. So that's how it's easy. You change the LED, and let me show you the performance now. So I'm going to close it and I'll show you the performance. Let me turn it on. So So you've seen it, it's very bright light. I really like it. This is the night time now. And that's how it's easy and simple to change your headlights bulb, or you can upgrade to LED on your Hummer H2 SUT. And if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.